Yo, so I wanted to talk about getting kicked out of churches. Um, so I've been kicked out of churches a lot in my life. Um, it's something that I that I'm not proud of, but that is a part of my story. Getting kicked out of churches. Actually, yeah, you know what? I think I don't know. Anyways, I got kicked out of a lot of churches in my life, and I wanted to talk about that. So you're gonna lose a lot of people in your life. Like the same. I mean, I don't know how old you are watching this video. Uh, Whether you're gonna lose a lot of people in your life uh, that aren't There's gonna be a lot of people in your life today that are in your life today that won't be in 5 years, that won't be in 10 years, that won't be in 15 years, and you kind of have to realize that people are fickle. Like um, from my experience at least. Like you have to realize that people will turn their back on you. People will stop talking to you. People will backstab you. People will do those things. And like, if you don't have, if you're not like rooted in Christ, like it's gonna hurt more. But if you're rooted in Christ, it's like, yeah, I have Christ. Like, yes, I wish I had those friends still, but you know, God, God is the one that satisfies the soul. No human being can do that. Not even a significant other can do that. So, um, yeah, just I don't know. I really believe that uh, like everything we go through happens for a reason, and just keep pushing. If you're losing friends right now, or if you've lost friends, like uh, honestly, it could be that you're growing too. Like it could be that you're growing a lot, so it's like people are moving out of your life quickly, and that was the reason for me in my life, some of the time for sure. Um, so yeah, it's not easy losing people, but uh, keep going, keep pushing, and just go to God, and he'll fill that void in your heart. Like, it really isn't easy, but you'll get through it.